Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today I've got a box opening from Spinnaker. Now I threw my Spinnaker Bradner back on because this is actually a new updated version of the Bradner. Spinnaker sent it out to me to check out and compare to the Bradner I already have, which is pretty cool. So the Bradner model I have on right now was an SP-5057. The new Bradners are SP-5062s. I have no clue what model they sent, because after the SP-5062 it'll be 01, 02, 03 for the different color variations. Now the reason Spinnaker wanted to send this out is they've made some improvements, and we're gonna put them side by side and see what we've got. So we've got their book, a cleaning cloth in their box here. I like that one. So let's see what model this one actually is. So this one is an SP-5062-05. Once again, it's on one of their nice big thick leather straps. I like that blue dial with the black outer ring. Get the plastic off here. So the Bradner, which this one still is using the same movement as the previous model. This one's using a Seiko NH35 movement, has 24 joules, beats away at 21,600 vibrations per hour. The previous model had sapphire crystal. The new model has sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating on it. Let me actually pull the plastic off. Thought I got everything, but guess not. So this one now has an anti-reflective coating on it. Now, being in here under the camera, it'll probably be hard to tell, but it'll be interesting to see what that looks like out in the world. Both of these are 42 millimeter cases, 15 millimeters thick. They are 316L stainless steel. We've got a logoed crown, and we've got a signed buckle. The band on this one is a 20 millimeter band. And the cool thing about these is they have a rotating inner bezel. Now that's something else that they updated on this new one. So on this one they complained about the gearing being not as fine or as smooth. And just from rotating that right now, I can tell you the new updated version rotates much easier. Another thing that they did change and update, the old version was 150 meter water resistant, and the new one is 180 meter water resistant. So that's a pretty nice jump up in the water resistance. Both have display case backs, so you can see that Seiko movement beating away. Now also the new one got upgraded lume. So we're gonna go dark real quick. I'm gonna hit them with my black light, and let's see how the difference comes out on the lume on these. So here we are in the dark. I've got the new Bradner on the left, the old Bradner on the right. We're gonna hit it with the black light, see how bright I can get it. Now I don't know how well you're going to be able to tell the difference on the camera, but we'll give it a whirl. So they both have really pretty decent lume, and actually the way the crystal is on these, I think makes the lume and the dial look really cool. You can see that the new Bradner is staying brighter for longer, and that was just me hitting it with that quick black light. I'm also noticing that the Bradner, the new one, has lume on the second hand, which I'm not seeing on the old one, so we'll have to look at that in the light. So back in the light, I was mistaken. The old Bradner does have lume on that second hand. Now I think the dot's a little smaller and it might have died out a little bit quicker. It's kind of a weird optical illusion happening because these watches are the same size, and as I'm looking through the camera, this looks bigger overall. But when I look at it more with my naked eye, it looks like the dot on the second hand is a little smaller on the old version, and maybe the lume was just dying out quicker. So I think they made some really nice improvements. Price-wise, it stayed the same. This one runs on their site $285, and I really like them. I've got a bunch of Spinnakers at this point, and I've really liked all of them. So I'll link to their site below, and if you want to check them out, I think you'd enjoy them if you like this style. It's a nice vintage style. I like that little bit of brushwork on the case. There's a lot to like on these for the price, in my opinion. Now, there used to be a promo code watching for Spinnaker for my viewers. If it's still active, I say take advantage of it, guys, because 20% off will definitely help you. And as you can see right there, that little bit of dome in the crystal changes the way that dial looks, which I really like. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the improvements they made. You know, these were priced at the same the old version was priced at the same amount. So now we have anti-reflective coating, smoother gearing, higher water resistance, and better lume. I think those are great improvements, and it's still at the same price point. As always, guys, thanks for watching.